Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks as a virtual assistant. We'll start by understanding the different QuickBooks online versions available, like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, to choose the right fit for your clients. Then, I'll show you how to set up new client accounts and manage access permissions, ensuring data security. Finally, we'll explore the QuickBooks dashboard and its essential features, so you can navigate the platform with confidence. Next, let's dive into the core tasks a virtual assistant performs in QuickBooks. You'll learn to accurately manage and categorize client income and expenses, ensuring precise financial records. We'll cover the crucial process of reconciling bank and credit card accounts each month, which helps catch discrepancies. Plus, I'll guide you through generating essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, to provide valuable business insights. Now, let's explore some advanced QuickBooks functionalities. We'll cover how to efficiently handle invoicing, manage bill payments, and even assist with payroll for your clients. I'll also share best practices for meticulous data entry and organization, which are vital for accuracy. Most importantly, we'll discuss how to ensure client data privacy and implement robust security protocols, including strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, to protect sensitive financial information. Finally, let's talk about growing your virtual assistant business with QuickBooks. You can expand your offerings by providing specialized services like inventory management or advanced reporting. It's crucial to continuously update your QuickBooks knowledge and skills to stay competitive. I'll also provide tips on how to effectively market your QuickBooks expertise, helping you attract new clients and build a thriving virtual assistant practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.